If you're looking for information on the Agencyjoy Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Agencyjoy Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Agencyjoy Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Have you ever experienced the frustration of using a clunky customer relationship management system? The kind that leaves you with a pile of automatically imported leads but very little contact information. If so, you're not alone. A cumbersome CRM not only hurts your ego but also hinders your prospecting strategy. If you want to boost conversion rates and make it easy for your team to move leads through your sales pipeline, it's time to find a better solution. Introducing Agencyjoy, the user-friendly CRM that will revolutionize your lead management process. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, Agencyjoy is designed to help you gather leads, design multiple sales pipelines, and set up meetings, all from one user-friendly dashboard. Also, how to get Agencyjoy Lifetime Deal is all in this video. Convert visitors with lead forms and email sequences. One of the key aspects of effective lead management is converting website visitors into potential customers. Agencyjoy makes this process seamless with its lead forms and email sequences. By embedding stunning lead forms on your website, you can capture more visitors and turn them into leads. The forms are fully customizable, allowing you to match them with your branding by adjusting colors, font sizes, and themes. For those who want more control over the aesthetics, Agencyjoy even offers the option to tweak the design of each form element using custom CSS. But it doesn't stop there. Agencyjoy provides valuable analytics data about form respondents, submissions, and conversion rates, giving you valuable insights into your lead generation efforts. With this information at your fingertips, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your lead capture strategy and improve conversion rates. To further nurture your leads, Agencyjoy enables you to design email sequences that automatically engage prospects and guide them through your sales pipeline. You can enroll multiple leads in specific email sequences and schedule automated emails based on your preferred timeline. The system allows personalization, so you can tailor your emails to each lead and increase the chances of conversion. By evaluating analytics such as open rates and reply rates. You can fine-tune your email sequences for better results. Additionally, Agencyjoy offers a unique feature called Joy Assist, an AI email assistant that can automatically generate emails and templates for you. This saves you time and effort while still maintaining a personal touch in your communication with leads. Manage leads with custom sales pipelines. Efficient lead management requires a well-organized sales pipeline, and Agencyjoy delivers exactly that. With its customizable sales pipeline, you can tailor the stages and workflow to match your unique sales process. Whether you prefer a visual Kanban view or a list view style dashboard, Agencyjoy gives you flexibility in managing your leads. Each lead in the pipeline comes with an in-depth account where you can access their contact information, activities, and notes. This comprehensive overview ensures that you have all the necessary details at your fingertips to engage with leads effectively and close deals. Sync with email and calendar for seamless integration. Agencyjoy understands the importance of seamless integration with your existing email and calendar systems. That's why it offers a two-way sync with popular platforms such as Outlook Mail, Outlook Calendar, Gmail, and Google Calendar. This integration ensures that your activities and appointments are synchronized across platforms, eliminating the need for manual updates and reducing the chance of missed opportunities. Additionally, you can add calendars directly to your website, allowing clients to easily book time slots and receive meeting invite details. This streamlined booking process enhances customer experience and saves you the back-and-forth hassle of scheduling appointments. Moreover, Agencyjoy integrates seamlessly with Zapier, connecting you to over 5,000 third-party apps. This opens up a world of possibilities for automation and workflow optimization. Whether you need to connect with spreadsheets, meta ad managers, or project management tools like ClickUp, Agencyjoy has you covered. Streamline lead generation with Agencyjoy. A great CRM is essential for effective lead management, and Agencyjoy is the solution you've been looking for. With its comprehensive set of features, you can collect leads, send engaging email sequences, manage custom sales pipelines, and close more deals, all in one platform. Don't let your leads slip through your fingers. Upgrade to Agencyjoy and streamline your lead generation efforts. Experience the convenience of a user-friendly CRM that empowers your team to work efficiently and effectively. Lifetime access to Agencyjoy. To make things even better, Agencyjoy offers lifetime access through its exclusive deal. With this deal, you gain access to all the features and future updates of the Agencyjoy Enterprise plan. It's a one-time purchase that ensures you have a powerful CRM solution for the long term. As with any purchase, there are terms and conditions that apply. It's important to redeem your code within 60 days of purchase, and note that the deal is available only for new Agencyjoy users without existing accounts. However, to provide peace of mind, Agencyjoy offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can try it out for 2 months and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business. Agencyjoy is here to help you collect leads, send engaging email sequences, manage your custom pipeline, and close more deals. Streamline your lead gen. Get lifetime access to Agencyjoy today. One-time purchase of $49 only.